Are you tired of your lineups coming out crooked, uneven, or pushed back? Then this video will definitely fix that. Alright, so stay tuned and let's get into it. What's good YouTube, man, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tyreek, and in today's video, as you read from the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be giving you guys a step-to-step guide, a walkthrough series, and how to give yourself a lineup with enhancements. Right, the reason I'm doing this video is because this is a highly requested video. A lot of people in person and also over the phone have been asking me like, yo bro, do you cut your hair every week? Like, do you go to the barber every week? How do you maintain a fresh haircut every single week? I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Alright bro, so long story short, I cut my hair every 2 weeks. Right, I cut my hair every 2 weeks, and then in the weeks in between, I just give myself a lineup, you see. Sometimes with enhancements, sometimes with no enhancements. And that's how I'm able to maintain my haircut every single week. That's how I'm able to give off the illusion that every single week I have a haircut. You know, self-grooming, man. And without any further ado, let's get into the equipment that you're gonna need. Alright man, so right now I'm currently in my garage, right? This is where I normally cut my hair. If you guys are wondering why am I always facing here, that's because I have a mirror right here, right? So now I have to take this off. Let me take this off, bro, show you how my hair is looking. I'm not gonna lie, this is the process that I hate doing the most, but you guys to, bro, we guys to. Let me grab this. So man, let's do the hair reveal. For those of y'all who are asking, yes, I do have waves currently, but this is something that I'm gonna like move away from very soon. So this is how my hair is looking right now, bro. As you can see, still kind of like have a haircut a bit, like a fade, man, my bad. Still, because I cut my hair like last week, so I'm still like decent, I guess. Still decent, yeah. And then there's the back, here's the side. Yeah, it's kind of messy, but I'm gonna brush it quickly, and then yeah bro, we're gonna jump into this. Alright, so now that that's done, the first step you need to do is identifying your hairline. That's the first thing that you need to do. So guys, looking at my hairline, as you can see, my hairline is still like pretty lined up, I guess, or pretty decent from last week. As I said, I cut my hair last week, but one thing that I have noticed, right, as you can see here, bro, I have like light spots here and also this side, my vertical bars here. What had happened was, when I cut my hair last week, I kind of like pushed them back, right? But then it's not gonna be noticeable on camera, but like there is a bit of baby hairs growing back there, and I don't want to push that back, so I'm not really gonna touch my sides like that, but I'm gonna show you all just how to do it. So yeah, with these things, guys, a lot of people have been coming at me for them, but my hair is like this, bro. My hair is naturally like this, bro. Every time I cut my hair shorter, I always get these things, dog. I've been had these things. It's not something new. I didn't yank myself or push myself back. No, this is just how my hair is. Alright, so yeah bro, next thing, what we're gonna do, get your trimmers, right? Yeah, my trimmers. So like I said, after identifying how your hairline is, follow that shape. Alright, so the reason why I say identify your hairline is because the aim of this is to like make sure that the end result, your hairline still like looks as natural as possible. One thing I've learned is the natural your haircut or like your hairline is, the better and overall, yeah, the better it looks overall, basically. So we are not here to like try and recreate a whole new hairline. No, We are not doing that. We're not gonna push ourselves back just to like get our hairline more crispy. No, we're not doing that. We are following the natural shape of our hairline, bro. So like I said, with mine, the points where I'm lacking is my size, obviously, this corner right here, and then these three things right here, and those are the parts that we're gonna fix with enhancements. This is the reason why this is the perfect video for this, you get me? So after identifying your hairline, next thing you're gonna want to do, pro tip, if your hairline is naturally slanted, right, just keep it slanted like that, bro. Don't try and push the other side upwards to like kind of match. No, if it's slanted, keep it slanted. That's how your hairline is. There's nothing you can do about it. So next we're gonna grab our trimmers, right? And with the trimmers, you can start anywhere. Me personally, I used to start from this side. But one thing that I've noticed is whenever I start this side, I tend to like go a bit lower. I tend to like slant my hairline whenever I start from this side. So what I started doing is I started tapping from right here, from the middle, right? I started anchoring from the middle and then move on to the left side and come back to the right side. So that is what we're gonna do. So, and when you do this, don't dig into the skin, bro. No, tap and move, like tap and move, tap and move, tap and move, tap and move. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if you guys want me to speed this up or like just, but now this is where I'm not gonna do the talking. You guys just have to see what I'm doing and follow what I'm doing, bro. Yeah. Alright, so now once we've done doing that, so guys, basically with the trimmers, my trimmers aren't really that sharp, right? They're not really that sharp. So basically what I do with my trimmers is I just set the blueprint. Yeah, let me say that. I just set the blueprint, trying to see how does everything work, how does everything move, so that I can like get a clear picture on how my hairline or like the lineup is gonna come out, right? So now that I've did that, like I said, I didn't really touch my sides like that. I didn't really touch them like that because like I said, I'm not trying to push them back. And right here, they are like baby hairs right there, like in case y'all don't, they're baby hairs right there. So I just lined them up quickly. You see, simple, bro, simple. So next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my clipper, my wall multi-cut cordless clippers, and with this now I'm gonna like shape everything up, like just make it more sharper. Yeah, just make it more sharper, more like make it stand out more basically. Yeah, so let's get into that quickly. So after that, the next thing we're gonna do is get into the razor, right? So guys, this is the thing with me. As much as I'm using enhancements, I still want my hair to look pretty good, pretty decent, right? I don't want the enhancement to make my haircut. No, the enhancements should just already enhance what I already have. So when it's time to wash it off, or whenever it does come off, my haircut still looks good, still looks decent. And this is the one thing that like a lot of barbers tend to like slack on or get lazy at, is the fact that they rely on enhancements. Don't be that type of barber, dog. Make sure that your thing is to the point where as it doesn't even need enhancements. That's the whole point. But since this video is how to do a lineup with enhancements, I'm gonna be showing you how to use enhancements. So right now I'm gonna get my blade, right? I'm gonna get my blade and I'm just gonna remove the light stubbles, the hairs that are there. They're just like making everything just look unnatural basically. So I'm about to do that real quick, guys. If I step out of frame, I really apologize. I noticed from the way I put this phone, and it's like a bit away from the mirror, and like my vision is not really that good. I can't see from afar, so sometimes I need to step in and like just see what I'm doing. So if I'm out of frame, I apologize in advance, but y'all basically get the idea. Y'all know what to do by now, so yeah. I bet, man. So now we're getting into everyone's favorite, which is the enhancements, right? So with the enhancements, I use this dye, bro. This dye is super black by Inecto. If y'all live in South Africa, y'all know. And with this dye, bro, the aim is to make it look as natural as possible. We don't want to overuse the dye to the point where as it looks fake. No, that's what we don't want. So basically, I'm gonna show you what I do. I don't know if you guys will still be able to hear me, but we'll finesse something, we'll figure out something. So basically what I do, I grab the solution, right? And like, here's my small container that I'm gonna use. So I just take just a bit, bro. As you can see, I've been using it. So don't come for me. I take like a bit, like just a dab, and I put that into the container. So this is how much I'm gonna be using. I'm not gonna be using too much because, as we said, we don't want it to look fake. We want it to look natural. So I'm gonna be using this much, and then close that up real quick. And then I'm also gonna be using this solution. Same thing. I don't want to use too much. I'm already like running out either way. So just a dab, bro. Not too much. Just a dab. 1, 2, 3. I use 3 droplets. You can use 2, you can use 1, whatever. But now the reason I'm using 3 is because my hair is like a bit light. It's short, so I don't want the enhancements to like look darker than the rest of my hair, basically. So now once you're done doing that, you're gonna grab a brush, any brush. I like using the small brush that came with the clippers. You can use this brush, or you can use a regular brush, or you can use a regular brush, or you can use a toothbrush, whichever one you want to use. And we're gonna mix it in until it becomes thick. Right? And now once you're happy with it, for me it normally doesn't take that long because it's very small. Like, I don't use that much. You're gonna mix it in, and then you're gonna take a bit, just a dab, not too much, and put it on the areas that you want to be enhanced or like be darkened. So for me it's this area, these 2 areas, and my sides. So now because I'm doing these areas and my sides, might as well put it on my whole hairline so that my hairline doesn't look weird, bro. Guys, my bad, I'm just trying to adjust this camera so that my whole hairline doesn't look weird. So I'm gonna do this part, then I'm gonna show y'all, explain to you what I just did, and then you know what, let me just do it. So boom, let's go. So you see I have a right shaver, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply it on my hairline. So I'm basically gonna go along my hairline. Guys, I'm gonna need to step out of frame for this, but I'm gonna try and see. Okay, yeah, cool. So I put a bit, I don't put in too much, right? I don't put on too much, I just put a bit, and I go along my hairline. I go straight along my hairline. I hope you guys can hear me, dog. Really, like, genuinely. Boom. So now I'm gonna grab a bit more, not too much again. Cool, first part done. Now let's go into my sides. So same step, pull down the skin and like just go according to your hairline. So I'm just gonna do here, I'm not gonna do the C cups. I don't know how to do them properly. I struggle when doing the C cups, so I'm just gonna boom, go up until here. Right. And then I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. And I know it kind of looks weird right now, but trust the process, bro. Trust the process. Trust the boy, because the end result is gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Yeah, so basically that's how it should look. I don't know why did I. Yeah, now that's how it should look. So next thing, dog, we're not gonna wait for it to dry. You're just gonna wait for it to turn darker, like just a bit. And once it does turning darker, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brush it into the hair so that it can be able to blend into the hair, so that it doesn't dry up and like just look fake or unnatural. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So hey man, that's the end of the tutorial. This is how I do my hairline with enhancements. Not gonna lie, it came out pretty okay, decent. I've done better, but hey man, this is just a quick tutorial, just showing you guys step by step on how to do this. I might come and redo this video again and like improve, cause nah bro, but yeah man, that's how I do it. If you want more content like this, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And also I'm going to be starting a walkthrough series where I show you guys self-cut tutorials, where I show you guys how I cut my hair and the tips and tricks on how you guys can learn how to cut your hair as well. So comment down below, what would you rate the whole thing out of 10? I'll probably give it like a solid 6.5. And normally what I like doing, especially when I don't have a haircut, is what I like doing, bro. It just makes everything look more fire, I guess, because I'm about to head out real soon, so might as well, you feel me? So yeah man, that's the end of the video. It's your boy Tyreek. Subscribe and see y'all in the next tutorial, man.
Can't blame us, it's all me changing. Can't blame me, we just need patience. Dream chasing, the bar can't wait though. Need Jesus to save